Thus, torque experienced by an electric dipole in a uniform electric field. Consider an electric dipole forming with two charges plus q and minus q, having dipole length 2L, placed in a uniform electric field E as shown. Let E is the uniform electric field and this is the dipole minus q plus q. When a charge is placed in a uniform electric field, it experiences a force QE. Using this concept, the plus q charge will experience force QE in the direction of field, while minus QE or minus q charge will experience the force of same magnitude QE but in opposite to the direction of electric field. This is dipole having length 2L and dipole moment vector P. Dipole moment vector P directed negative to positive. Let dipole is placed in the uniform electric field in such a way that its dipole moment vector P makes angle theta with the uniform electric field E. From the diagram, it is clear that there are two forces, plus QE and minus QE, or QE in the direction of field and another one QE opposite to the direction of electric field. These two equal and opposite forces produces net force on the dipole 0. But these forces are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction and therefore exert torque. Means these two forces QE on plus charge and minus QE on negative charge, these two forces are equal in magnitude, opposite in direction, but they are at different line of action and therefore forms couple. This couple exert a torque on the dipole and that torque has a tendency to align the dipole with the field. In order to evaluate this torque, we have torque equal to either force into perpendicular distance. Now torque is represented by tau. Tau equal to either force, it is QE, and perpendicular distance, this distance between the line of action. अब ये डिस्टेंस या ये डिस्टेंस, अब अगर इसको हम रिजॉल्व करें तो ये थीटा, ये हो जाएगा 2L cos थीटा, ये हो जाएगा 2L sin थीटा. Now this perpendicular distance is 2L sin theta, means separates perpendicular distance between the line of actions of the two forces, 2L sin theta. Now torque tau equal to 2QL E sin theta, but this 2QL is equal to P, but P equal to 2QL, and therefore tau equal to P E sin theta. Now this torque equal to P cross E. This is the required relation. The direction of torque tau is given by right hand screw rule, and it will be perpendicular to vector P and vector E, that is perpendicular to the plane in which P and E lies. And from the diagram, P cross E means direction of torque will be perpendicular to the plane of bolt directed inward. Net force on dipole F equal to plus QE minus QE, or it may be written as first force minus QE plus QE equal to 0. Net force on dipole in a uniform electric field is 0. Maximum torque when theta equal to 90 degree, tau equal to PE. When theta equal to 0, tau equal to 0.